In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rosebud hairpins. Stay tuned. Hi my beautiful people, my name is Fen Li, author, bead instructor, and designer here at the Bead Flora Studio. In the last 2 weeks, we made rosebud earrings, stackable matching rings, and today I will show you how to make matching hairpins. And as always, materials and tool lists will be in the description. So let's go. This video is a technique video. I have demoed the rosebud and calyx in my last two previous videos, and I will put the link in the cards and also the description. But I did make them separately, the rosebud and the calyx, because I just want the extra weight of the extra wires here. Okay, now so let's insert this into the calyx here. And I'm going to twist this down all the way, twist it nice and tight. I'll be using a bobby pin here, but you can also use U-shaped hairpins. So take the stem of the flower here and just put it onto the bobby pin. And we're just going to position the bobby pin up vertically. And we're going to take this wire here and just wrap it around each part of the bobby pin in a figure 8. I'm just going to wrap it around the first part of the pin. If you are liking this tutorial so far, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. So open this up here and put it right in the middle. And pull this through. So now the first part of the pin is wrapped around with the wire here. Take your pliers and just pinch it so that it wraps tightly around the first part of the pin. And now bring the wire around the second part of the bobby pin. And now we're going to put it around through the middle again and bring it over. Okay, so now let's take our pliers and pinch it again. Bring this over, and so take this wire and just wrap it around. Just over the two wraps here. Okay. Now cut the excess wires and tuck these wires in. If you are doing a U-shaped hairpin, then you would position it right like this here. But since this is a bobby pin, I'm just going to position it like this. And it's simple as that. And what you can also do is to put some clear glue or clear nail polish onto the wire so that it doesn't snag the hair. In addition to the bobby pins, I also made some on U-shaped hairpins. Which ones do you prefer? If you love today's tutorial, check out the matching rosebud earrings and stackable rings. Join me in the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers Facebook group for making these German chamomiles for a month long of free lessons in February inside the Facebook group. Happy beading!